Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to fix 2GO bank application not working. It may be because of two reasons, so we will go step by step. Firstly, open your App Store. Now at the search bar, simply search 2GO Bank. Now tap on the one that you have installed in your mobile device. Now, if your application needs an update, you will be seeing an update option just behind the open section. But you can see that I have already updated my app, so you can't see any of them. But if you see the update option, go and update the application. And after that, try to log into your account. And even after that, if it doesn't work, then go to your settings. Now here, go to General option. Now there you can see the option of iPhone storage. Tap over there. Now scroll down and search the 2GO Bank application. Now tap on Offload app as it will help you clear the cache. After you are done offloading the app, make sure to reinstall the application once again. Now you can see that your app has been reinstalled and it has cleared all the cache. Now try to log in. Again, if it doesn't work, then the last option is to delete the application itself and reinstall it again. For that, you need to tap on the option Delete App. After you tap on Delete App, it will be deleted, and make sure to reinstall it again and fill down your credentials and try to log in. These are some of the steps which may help you to log into your 2GO account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.